it's come to my realization that, Wii Sports, like, it's a fun game, but it's not a fun game to watch, Because everyone's doing the same old thing. Whatever news, I don't care. Shut up, freaking. I know it's summer. It was Father's Day yesterday, as of recording. Anyway, like Wii Sports, I've been making Wii Sports videos for like insert how many months here. And it's come to my realization that it's not really a fun game to watch because they don't get shit for views. But anyway, freaking God, what am I gonna say? Like, this is why I don't like recording when I'm sick. The only reason I'm doing it is because I have one of those rare opportunities that I can record. What's he mad about? Hey. Well, everybody does, You should make up. Well, I can make you something. Hold on. Let's create you, Done. What would you call this? A masterpiece? I call this HELP. It's short for something, maybe. I don't know. It tastes like, I don't know, it's pretty sour. It's rice. I don't even care about these. I just put random crap because random equals funny. Hot. It's large and it's glowing. I don't know why they let you do this. No person or me with any common sense would be eating or drinking something that's glowing. Like, come on. Like, no food in the world, well, looks like that, is that, or glows, because only idiots buy crap that's gonna kill you. But it's perfect for you. Hopefully it'll kill you or something. You don't like it? Of course you don't like it. It's glowing. It's something edible that's glowing. Oh, tough luck. You have fun in hell or something. I don't know. Okay, so this guy, his name is Bubbles. So I bought my Wii on eBay for like $50. And it came, and they didn't reset the console. And this guy was just on here along with like other people. And he looks cool, so I'm gonna put him on there. If you're watching this video, Bubbles, who previously owned my Wii, first of all, I don't know your birthday, so I'm just gonna assume you were born in 1977, because you just look like a 70s guy. Looked like someone who's born in the 70s. There we go, that's good. No, he's not related. Yeah, he's pretty normal, I'd say. He's pretty, serious, kind of. He's not that serious. Alright. Bubbles. Starting to become kind of a sausage fest over here. We only have, 2 women on the island. Do I want Bubbles to live next to me? Sure. I have Bubbles live next to me. We definitely need this island renovation because it's starting to get a little tight in there. Alright, I know. Just give me your thing. you hand me a piece of the UI, thanks. I mean, you know, we create our own fortune. I don't know, I can't think for you. He's still pissed off. Lucia over here. Punch in the air is not gonna do anything, dumbass. Stinking uncle of a... hold on. Come on, I want to see you fight. Come on. What a shame. They were perfect for each other. God. Alright, these houses cost good money. Don't burn them down. Jeez. Here we have it. The finished island. For now. Mostly the same. It does look a little, undecorated, but should be fine for now. They're at least living, except now they're still pissed off. Be happy. Also, I kind of secluded Lucia and Humorgus over here because they should not be disrupting the rest of the town. Put a vending machine over here so that they're more convinced not to leave this area. It worked on him, but it didn't work on Lucia. You know what? You need to stay on. You need to stay over here. Go to your house. No, don't go away from the rest of the town, please. Let's see what I want again. Should probably just bring Bubbles, don't I? He's my neighbor and also, and he's bored. What are you hammering into me? At least I'm fine now. Could just give me a slap in the face or something. Well, at least we know each other now, so that's good. Something new with the wishing fountain, so... Let's see. Oh, never mind. No wishes, so screw that. This empty space here is for the news tower that unlocks later. I'm not sure when. I just know it exists. Yeah, because I've played this game. Yeah, hey, you want something. Oh, you want a new room. Alright. What room is there? I could make some in the pallet house, but I don't have that unlocked yet. You get the pink girly one. There you go. Let's see. Treasures. Video games. Blank base. Alright. I have called this game Shoot All the Innocent People on the Windows XP background. Yeah, guys, shoot all the innocent people. There we go. One like, and I make this into a real game. Or I'll do it anyway, I don't know. vibe, well, it's a fighting game, right? So we're gonna go with sports. And, emotional, because, yeah, I'd be sad too. Being the victim, you're not the victim though, you're the guy on top. You're the one, shooting all the innocent P9 plea. Yeah, I tried so hard with the freaking title and just gave up. Alright. Who wants it? You want it, I suppose. You're bored and want company? Who needs company when you got Nintendo Switch? There we go. Oh, you don't like it? See, he has no taste in games. Well, me neither. I'm sick and everyone's out of the house. You'd really like to hang out with someone. Go hang out with not her. Her. Close to giving up. What the hell? Oh, my freaking nose. Look, Ilis, I hate to burst your bubble, but you might want to start giving up. She's starting to give up on you, man. Does it mean they feel the same way, or does it mean... I mean, she was trying since the last time. Yeah, it's all she has, eyes. Not like she has anything else to look at. On her face. That's what I'm talking about. On her face. There's nothing else to look on her face. The eyebrows too, but whatever. Who cares? Oh. Well, that sucks. What the hell? Oh, hanging out with Bubbles. Person I don't even know. Well, they want to be island famous forever. Look, there's this other guy with the island who's famous, but for pretty bad reasons. Shit, I don't want to go into Lucia's house. I want to go into his house. You know what? Okay, I want to try and get this problem resolved. Because I hate you. I don't hate you this much. Alright, come on. I know. You should make up. I know what cheers anybody up. Video games. Especially crappy video games that were made by... They were made in like 15 minutes. And anyone would rather play a Flash game than this. Shoot all the innocent pineapple. Oh, see, he liked it. Ilis, why can't you have such a... Why can't you... Oh, never mind, he's still angry. Let's fucking want some beer? I got beer. Too full for beer? No one's ever full for beer. I don't drink beer, but whatever. Oh, God. You know, I had this dream last night where I became an alcoholic. Alright, I'm gonna try with the get help thing. That's what I want to try and do. So, let's see. We're gonna do a grown up, angled. Okay, let's see what abomination it makes. Alright. Let's see. It looks like something familiar, but I can't put my finger on it at all. Looks like something from... I swear to God, if another freaking car that's louder than like 14 push mowers, I'm going to freaking burn my house down. It kind of looks like something from Charlie Brown, almost. Civic. So that's the first thing that come up when I press C, so Civic. Hello, Civic. Welcome to the world. Also known as the silent Civic. I don't freaking know, it's 2:12. How are we gonna determine how good the night's gonna... Would you look at that? Bigger island already. You know, something that kind of... Well, I mean, it makes sense, but it's a little disappointing that there's no, like, resize tool for the island, so I can't just click and drag, just make the island bigger. Doesn't even matter how ugly it's gonna be, you can just... I don't care. Oh well, bigger island, so I have to revamp it again. You know what? Maybe you like video games, or not. Well, no, I'll get someone to help. Civic. You go help her fight, or something, I don't know. Or never mind, go screw off, I don't know. Completely normal. Add me. Welcome, sunshine. Okay, now we're going to put you farther from everybody else. I am your dictator. Welcome to this world. For how it could be, not how it always is. Yeah, that's what Kim Jong-un said. Did he say that? Or was it Hitler? Or did any of them say that? I don't know, man. You know, go out into the world. Go introduce yourself to everybody. Go commit murders or something. I don't know. You look like the type of person that would not do that. Well, that's enough for today. Oh, stop it all. Die. I'll probably edit this all like 5 years from now. Good day, everybody.